In the dynamic world of alternative investments, hedge funds are often seen as the engine of high finance, fast paced, complex, and incredibly strategic. But what few people see is the foundation that keep those engines running. The accountants, the process, and the precision behind every trade, valuation, and investor statement. That's the world we are stepping into together. Welcome to Mastering Hedge Fund Accounting, a carefully designed course that does not just teach concept but brings you inside the real operational framework of how hedge funds are managed from an accounting perspective. We start by understanding what a hedge fund really is, not just definition, but how these funds are structured, how they operate, and how they earn. You will learn the difference between open ended and close ended funds, explore hedge fund strategies, and common industry terms that will serve as a building block for everything else we cover. Chapter 2 takes you into the operational workflow of a hedge fund. We will explore how the different teams coordinate and how their roles tie together to complete the accounting cycle. We map the end to end flow from trade initiation to NAV release so you understand the bigger picture. Capital activity is the heartbeat of any hedge fund. We will dive into processes like opening capital, subscription, advance subscription, redemptions, and how they record and reconcile accurately. In chapter 4, we learned the difference between cash versus accrual accounting and how we account for non trade accruals like audit fee, fund admin charges, and legal expenses. We also cover how one time payments are handled and accounted properly. Chapter 5 is all about booking and validating trades. We cover major financial instruments like equity, bond, money market instruments, options, future, forward, FX options, repo, reverse repo, and swaps. Here we take a closer look at cash, how it's recorded, monitored, and reconciled. We will discuss cash break, FX and OTE balance, settled versus unsettled cash, and how incorrect trade booking impact cash. This section also includes month-end cash reconciliation. Chapter 7 covers how fund accountants verify what the fund holds. We will look at general checkpoints, position break reasons like instrument setup issues, lot relief methodology, box position, repo position, and conclude with month-end position recon best practices. In this chapter, we covered the wide array of corporate action from cash and stock dividends to spin-off, merger and acquisition, right issues, stock splits, and name changes. We also explore corporate action on derivatives and discuss what to watch out for while processing them. Now, we shift our focus to income. In this chapter, you will learn about dividend income, withholding tax, accrued interest, and break resolution. Pricing accuracy can make or break a fund's NAV. You will learn how prices are sourced and importance of price hierarchies and how to handle stale or missing prices. We end with a deep dive into month-end pricing analysis. Understanding and validating profit and loss is key to NAV accuracy. This chapter explains P&L classification, how to validate components, and how to tie it all together into a month-end P&L summary, a valid step in fund accounting process. In this chapter, we consolidate everything we have learned to build the GAV or gross asset value. This chapter looks into balance sheet components, how to review a trial balance, and how GAV sets the stage for calculating NAV. Now that we have the GAV, we will apply the fund level expenses like management fee, admin fee, and the performance or incentive fee to arrive at the net asset value or NAV. You will learn the logic and formulas behind each deduction. We conclude with the final step, allocating the NAV to individual investor. You will understand how the accounting reflects every investor's share based on capital activity and fund performance. This chapter ties the full process back to where it all began, with the investor. This course has been carefully built to stimulate how things work in real hedge fund accounting team, from concept to reconciliation, from booking to reporting. Whether you are just beginning or looking to sharpen your expertise, mastering hedge fund accounting will prepare you for real roles in real firms across the global financial centers. Now, let's dive into the course and get ready to master hedge fund accounting process. Thank you.